Hi, I wanted to talk to you today about something crazy that people would never do. Would never turn all the lights on in your house and glue them on, would you? Or would you? If you've got a water heater like this, a 40-gallon, 50-gallon, or 60-gallon tank, it is constantly full of water. Whether you're home, whether you're sleeping, whether you're using water or you're not using water, this thing is full of 40 gallons of hot water that you are paying for. Let me tell you the solution to that. The solution is a tankless water heater. This condensing tankless water heater only turns on when you need it, just like the lights in your house. Water starts to flow, flame comes on, endless supply of hot water, but the moment you turn the water off, this thing shuts down, goes to sleep, and it waits for you to wake back up and need it again. Thanks for joining me. I'm John from Find and Home Service.